When it comes to efficiency, you picture an analogy of a well-maintained and furnished work desk. Every screw has to be tight, every edge has to be polished, every lamp has to be lit, and every pencil has to be sharpened. Perfection is attained by making sure every small detail is right. And that's when you become efficient. Introducing Euro Workstations India, your one-stop destination for all your efficient workspace modular furniture needs. Avowed as a modular furniture whiz, Euro Workstation India takes innovation and customization to new echelons. Since our inception, we have turned ourselves into market leaders in manufacturing of modular furniture. Our philosophy has always been about increasing your efficiency by providing quality furniture. We have lived up to this promise over the years and crafted furniture that complements you and your workspace. We not only help our clients in maximizing their space utilization with customization, functionality, and appealing appearance in office, but also help them by enhancing their overall work efficiency. Usually, we recognize the requisites of architects as well as our clients with respect to functions, working styles, and their commercial setup. After analyzing them, we recommend different systems pertaining to their requirements, while working with value engineering products to suit their budgets. In addition, we believe in reusing, as our furniture can be reutilized with flexibility of reinstalling or modifying layouts as per various requirements. Our customers always have our support in shifting or altering setups in the future. Established in 1994, Euro Group of Companies' foundations were laid to bring international standards of furniture quality and technology to India to cater to the market here. Over the years, the brand has partnered with numerous corporations, enterprises, and joint ventures to reach where it is today. Headed by our very able Managing Director, Mr. Shirish Dalal, we have left a mark all over the country for designing and supplying world-class furniture, unmatched in its quality, designs, and finishes. An interior designer by profession and with an experience of more than 3 decades, he has been able to complete 858 residential and commercial projects pan-India. It's been a time of stupendous growth, and the company has only gone from strength to strength, growing by leaps and bounds. Modular office furniture is the most effective design solution when planning a new workspace. Using modular furniture allows the workplace to grow and expand, be reconfigured, and adapt to the changing workforce demands. We design all our products at our state-of-the-art 15,000 square foot manufacturing unit. Our unique vision towards quality implementation has led us in constructing a well-equipped manufacturing unit, which is backed by the most modern technology and equipment. Our customers can check our work out at our ultra-modern 7,500 square foot Experience Center located at Lal Darwaja, a prime location in Surat. Our best work, as well as our wide range of products, are exhibited here, so our customers can have a first-hand experience with our quality. Our 7 comprehensive product verticals are: 1. Full-height modular partition, demountable partitions, in which we have A. Trans-wall partitions, glass partitions; B. Trans-solid partitions, fusion of solid and glass partitions; 2. Modular workstations, partition-based and desk-based systems. Modular workstations: A. Partition-based systems, low-height partitions; tile-based system, Rubik Cube series, 65 mm tile-based system; Eurovogue series, 60 mm panel-based system. B. Screen-based systems, low-height partitions; Apple series, 50 mm screen-based system; Intelisys series, 31 mm screen-based system. C. Desk-based systems, freestanding desk with dividers; Inspiration series, wooden legs with metal understructure. Element series, metal cone legs with metal understructure. Signature series, stainless steel cone legs with stainless steel understructure. Trend Z series, MS pipe legs with metal understructure. Trend X series, MS legs and cable riser with metal understructure. 3. Storage systems, all types of storage. Storage, board to board to board. Storage, ply laminate aluminium profile to ply to board aluminium profile. Customized storage. 4. Desk systems, executive desks and conference desks. Inspiration series, Element series, Signature series, Trend Z series, Matrix series, Customized series. 5. Seating systems, executive chairs, visitor chairs, staff chairs, other chairs. In recent times, we have been facing a void in terms of full height partitions, which are one of the most vital parts of a modern day office. Designers were either relying on carpentry work or importing certain partitions, which were ineffective. We saw this void and decided to fill it by introducing 100% indigenous modular full height partitions. Available in various thicknesses to suit different pockets, these are budget-friendly as well as functional. Their components are made out of aluminium with trims anodized or powder-coated. Full-height modular partitions. Demountable partitions, in which we have A. Trans-wall partitions, glass partitions. Skyline Series glass partitions, 40 mm. Skyline Series glass partitions in grid structure and curved glass design in 40 mm. Razor Edge series glass partitions, 100 mm single glass, 100 mm double glass, 100 mm DGU or double glass unit. Technova line series glass partitions, 105 mm double glass. B. Trans-solid partitions, fusion of solid and glass partitions. iFlex 78 mm, iFlex 85 mm series, iFlex 95 mm series. Which is why our customers have come to expect nothing short of fineness. We are committed towards precision, which is evident in the strict quality control measures that we undertake. Our quality control department comprises of a highly trained and rehearsed staff who make sure that there are no loose screws or chipped edges. The immense knowledge and vast experience of our team aids them in designing every part of the furniture with one objective: to increase your functionality. We are flexible, offering customers a plethora of color schemes and choices, a wide array of layouts, and the most durable materials. Our customers get to choose everything, and we manufacture exactly what they ask for. What makes us stand out is our in-house production, where everything from manufacturing to dispatching is under one roof, because of which our clients are rest assured that they will always get a timely delivery. We will strive to source from the best suppliers, utilize technological manufacturing advancements, and simplify logistic processes, ensuring our customers get the best value. Spread across the length and breadth of the country, through our extensive domestic presence and sales network, we deliver your furniture to your desired destination. Plate areas, 41 lakh square feet constructed area. Workstations, 30,973 in number. Full height partitions, 8.21 lakhs square feet. These projects have been carried out throughout India. Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Boisar in Maharashtra, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad in Delhi and NCR, Bengaluru, Bellary in Karnataka, Surat, Ahmedabad, Vapi, Rajkot, Anjar, Sachin, Dhanu, Bharuch in Gujarat, Kolkata in West Bengal, Hyderabad in Telangana, Daman, Pondicherry, Union Territory, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. We have installed our products in various companies and have dipped our hands in numerous sectors, such as 1. Government sector, Gas Authority of India Limited, Baroda, Nuclear Power Corporation Limited, Boisar, National Building Company Corporation, Goregaon, Mumbai, Family Planning Association, Nariman Point, Mumbai, Income Tax Office, Nariman Point, Mumbai. 2. Banking sector, Andhra Bank, Nariman Point, Mumbai, Central Bank of India, Navi Mumbai, Greater Bombay Bank, Dadar, Mumbai, Bank of India, Belapur, Navi Mumbai, IDBI Bank, Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai, Nabard Bank, Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai. 3. Insurance sector, Birla Sun Life, Andheri East, Mumbai, Bajaj Alliance, Prabhadevi, Mumbai, Bajaj Finance, Pune. 4. Corporate sector, Aditya Birla Miniac, Pavai, Mumbai, Irevna Limited, Chrysler Group Company, Chennai, ICICI Infotech, Thane, Mumbai, Tata Power Limited, Trombe, Boisar, Kirloskar Limited, Pune. 5. Diamond industry, Ramkrishna Diamond, Surat, Sheru Gems, Surat, Shivam Gems, Surat, Vaibhav Gems, Surat, Arjav Diamond, Surat. 6. Hospitals, schools and universities, Kiran Hospital, Surat, PP Savani University, Kosamba, Fountainhead School, Dandi Road, Surat, Amity University, Noida, JB Diamond School, Surat. 7. IT sector and BPO and call centers, Spanco Telecom, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Chennai, Take Solution, TTK Road, Chennai, Satyam Infotech, All India. 8. Builders and developers. 9. Architects, interior designers and PMCs or project management consultants. Euro Workstation is poised for elevated success. We aim to see our products in offices across the world. Our goal is to break new ground every day and be remembered as the pioneers of creativity in the customizable modular furniture industry. Come, take your next step towards comfort and success with Euro Workstation India. Euro Workstation is poised for elevated success. We aim to see our products in offices across the world. Our goal is to break new ground every day and be remembered as the pioneers of creativity in the customizable modular furniture industry. Come, take your next step towards comfort and success with Euro Workstation India. Our goal is to break new ground every day and be remembered as the pioneers of creativity in the modular furniture industry.